everybody, today we're going to be showing you this awesome gel ball blaster. These guns are so much fun to play with. My kids love it. And it's great that the ammo is actually these water beads, and this is really nice because then you don't have to go around the yard picking up all the Nerf balls or different things like that, but you take these beads and let them soak in water for a few hours, and these are going to be what you're using as ammo. And the nice thing about it is they're good to leave it out and it's not going to damage the environment or anything like that. So let's check this gun out. So here's everything the gun comes with. You have your ammo container, you have your battery and the chargeable, super great, that's rechargeable battery, safety goggles, and then here is your gun and here is the stock. So we'll go ahead and put it together, get the battery in, get the ammo loaded, and show you how great this gun is. So we got our beads loaded, and these are the beads that it comes with, and it comes with over 10,000 beads, so tons and tons of ammo to play with. And there's those little balls. So you want to go ahead and show them where you screwed this on at?
There's a little cap on the top. You get that off, then you just put it on. Oh, make sure it's not tilting down, because then all of it will fall.
And then here is your battery. Gets plugged in
To the back. Easy peasy. And then there's the backrest.
Okay, and then it got clicked on there. Here is your on and off switch right here.
Whoa, this lights up when you shoot it.
Oh, let me see. Do it. Oh, cool! Wow, that's neat. All right, let's get out here and shoot it.
All right. I really like how it looks like an alien gun. It's really cool. And I also love how if you're like playing in the dark, you can see the light out when it shoots. Overall, this gun is really cool, and we'll have a lot of fun with it.